Welcome back to Mediator and some various tips and tricks. In today's lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to do kind of some cool stuff on how to display information when people want it. I'm going to go onto the animals page, and actually now I'm going to go to the Zoo and Olympics page, and I'm going to show you how to do a hotspot. A hotspot is basically when you hover over something, when you roll over it, it'll flash up some more information. You could have a page saying what the map is, basically a map of Drusilla's, and a hotspot over it saying what everything is. But here's an idea of what to do. So I'm going to insert a picture, and I'm going to put the picture here, and I'm going to, let's have Kalashnikitty, because she's cool. I don't want the picture. Okay, so that's nice. That's a nice size. Let's make it maybe a bit smaller. Right. We also need a caption. So we're going to insert a little text box. And in here we're going to write a bit of information about Kalashnikitty. What happens when you let a favourite, not my spelling, it's right there, a favourite cat loose in the army. Okay, so we have text, we have text, we have image. Now what we want to do, we want to go view, and we want the properties. And if we drag that down there, and we need to rename this to text for Kitty. It's a good idea to do that with buttons as well. And as you see, it's visible, true, but I don't want that. I want it to be invisible. Now, we can double click in to correct it if we want to, but if we tested it out, we wouldn't be able to see anything. So I'm going to go back home. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put an event on here. What I'm going to do is when I move into the picture, I'm going to show the text. And when I move out, I'm going to hide the text. Okay. And I'm going to close that. Now, I'm going to explain something before I test it out. Say, for example, you were doing a football team and you had a list of names along the bottom. You have a picture of the player and some information about that player visible when you rolled over that name. It's really quite a good way of displaying quite a lot of information at once. Now, I'm going to press the F6 button. F6 means test this page. So when I go here, nothing. When I go here, see. Show, hide, show, hide. Press escape to come out of that. Now, that's how you do rollover. They can be done for all kinds of different things. I would suggest, if you wanted to, you could put a map on. I will show you how to do a quick version of that. So if I'm going to put my development levels because it's handy. So what I could do there is insert a polygon. I'm going to have lots. You can choose lots of things. I'm going to do 5-pointed star. Paste it. Paste it. So that's my level 4 star. My object list. They never organise themselves properly, so I'll rename that as level 4. So what we can do is when we roll over that, I can get that text to appear bigger. And the way I do that is by putting it in another text box. Or if I want to do something really different. Purple it. So what I would do here, first off, make this invisible. Then, on events, I'll move into, you can then show the headline, which you will have renamed. And I'll move out. You can hide the headline. So when we test it out, well, that worked, something else didn't. See if we can work out what. Mouse click, I don't know. Hide. Should be able by now to go back and check your work. Anyway, so there we go. Some instructions. So we've got the whole proper image and so on and so forth. I think that looks pretty ridiculous, so I'm just going to highlight that and delete a lot. Anyway, so that's how you do hotspots. In the next one, I think I'm going to show you how to put in links to other pages. And it's quite easy to put in external links, so we'll have a look at that. Okay, thank you very much for watching.